I'm not picking her in this ponytail. Putting my professional foot down. If you want hair, you can't keep putting it in a ponytail. You're right at the brink of having a major problem. For real.
So guess what? No ponytail. And I meant what I said. Now, I did not decide that until I got all the way through the actual haircut. I tried my best to find reason after reason after reason why I should just go ahead and put the child's head in a ponytail and let her live her best life for her first day of school. But the better part of me, the professional, the person who has seen this happen time and time again, just could not stand by and let it go on another day. Because if you don't start today, then when are you going to start? The last time I saw you, and I'm not going off on this child, I'm not trying to embarrass her because somebody did try to say that bullshit in the comments. Y'all always try to make something out to be nothing. Nothing out to be something. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying my best not to curse because it's a kid. And that'll just further prove to y'all point being right about me trying to be crazy for no reason. And I'm not crazy. I care. I'm a professional, and it's just as much my head as it is yours, especially when I'm the only one doing the actual maintenance, and I'm the only one taking care of it. And your only responsibility is to leave it alone and bring it back to me to keep it maintained. This is my head. This is my hair just as much as it is yours. This is our head. It's our project. Okay? So if I say no, I mean no. Look at this. Hold on to it for what? Cut it off. And it's because of neglect. It's because of a daily ponytail. It's because of improper maintenance. Okay? And it's fixable. No, you don't need a conditioning treatment. No, you don't need a protein treatment. The conditioning treatment is right here. It's these shears. Sometimes the best conditioning treatment is a haircut. Okay? So, off it goes. And just because I cut it doesn't put you in the clear to do the things that you were doing that put you in the state that you're in now. Rest. Let that hair rest. Let it be out. Let it be free. Let it get some air. Let it get some elements. Let the elements touch your scalp. Your scalp cannot breathe in them ponytail and them braids all the time. Okay? So, with that being said, after 18 years of doing hair, watching hair grow, watching hair break off, noting the various reasons why the hair is growing and why the hair is breaking off, I put my professional foot down. And I meant what I said. No ponytails. So if you continue on this journey, then you guys will see that her hair will grow. It already looks better. I'm coming up on my in-person explanation as to why I chose to not put the baby's hair in a ponytail. Once again, it's all love. It's because I care. It's not because I think I want to run something when I don't think I do. It's my salon. It's my chair. My years of experience. I'm running the show. You came to me because you didn't want to run a show anymore. At least that's why my clients come to me, because they don't know what they're doing and they're tired of trying to figure it out. It's not working for them and they need somebody else to take over. So that's why 90% of my clients come to me, because I'm a professional and I know what I'm talking about. So I came up with a plan for her to get her hair done every week for 6 weeks. And then after that, we will move to bi-weekly. And then after a year of bi-weekly maintenance, we will look at it and see where her hair is at and what it's doing and how it's performing. Until then, oh shit, I'm supposed to be quiet. As I'm about to start explaining to her why she's not getting a ponytail, this is my moment of realizing that it's just not happening.
You're gonna be mad, but I'm not picking her in this ponytail. Your hair is broke off all around the perimeter, and it's starting in this middle, and it's from that ponytail. So, Y'all go home and put the ponytail in, that's on y'all, but in good conscience, I cannot. Where the silk press, you need to let your hair out, honey, because this, if it get any worse, your hair gonna be shorter than this. And you barely making it where it's at, because I really should take another inch off it, because it's a spot right here. You can't keep putting your hair up every day like that, especially with you being natural and curly. If you want hair, you can't keep putting it in a ponytail. Because you right at the brink of having a major problem, for real. Yeah, I'm putting my professional foot down. That's still defeating the purpose of not putting your hair in a ponytail. Slicking it back with all of the stuff you slicking it back with is what's causing this to break off like this. Keeping it up in a ponytail, putting all that edge control and gel and all of that is drying it out and breaking it off. If you keep doing that, it's just gonna go from where it's at in the perimeter, closer, closer, closer. And then you're not gonna have but some strands. And like I said, it's already starting right here. You got a spot up here already. So you put this part in the middle on the side.
Once again, the goal here is not to embarrass anybody. It's not to make anybody feel bad. It's not to belittle or anything like that. It's really not even for your entertainment. It's for educational purposes. It's so that if you are at the house and you keep trying to do your own hair and you don't understand what the problem is, and then you might have a visual reference of, oh, your hair looks the same way hers did or worse, or it could be on its way, and you know that the issue is you need a haircut. It's nothing wrong with it. It's okay. We all have moments in time in life where the hair takes a back seat. Life be lifing and a half, okay? And it gets difficult, it gets hard, and everybody don't have the wherewithal to maintain no healthy hair. So that's why the good God Almighty put black people. See, that's why I can't be being serious with y'all, because then I be messing up. I ain't gonna say some stupid ass shit like God put black people on this earth too. I mean, partially it's true. But the fact of the matter is, the ponytail was against my better judgment, and I decided that I wasn't going to help her continue breaking her hair off, looking at the very reason why the hair is breaking off. And as I previously stated, just because you got it trimmed and got you to a place to kickstart, because that's all we did was kickstart the journey here. You're not in the clear. And I'm talking to the situation. I'm not talking to the child, the client specifically. I'm speaking to the situation because this is something I see all the time. This is not the first time I've seen this. This is not the first time I've told somebody they on their way to a problem and then they hear me, we do the haircut, and then it's almost like it didn't happen because you don't do the proper maintenance. You go right back to, oh, well, the hair is cut now. I can go get some braids or I can put it back. No, you can't. You can't. First of all, you need to exercise some discipline and make a practice so that you can make a habit out of not wearing the same ponytail every day, causing the same problem. And then you look up, you're going to be bald headed. Number one. Number two, lost my train of thought because the hair looks so great now. Okay. Look at that. Now, as I stated, I probably should have cut another inch off, but you know what? That's going to be on the client to stay on the regimen. And if she stays where she should, like I said, then it'll be off in no time and it won't be a problem.